divided by 350. 52 and you have divided by 350. It's 0.15.
It's okay, good. So come on, put 0.15 there. Then the next one is 70 over 350. That one is 0.20. We already got that one. Then the next one is 105. That's 0.30. The next one is 87 and a half. 87 and a half. That one will give you what? Over 350. 87 and a half over 350.
0.25.
0.25. Okay, good. And the last one is 35. That's 0.10. So when you add everything, it must give you 1.00. So cumulative probability as usual. The first one is 0.15. The second one is 0.35. That is, you add this to this, add this to this, you get 2.65. Add this to this, you get 0.90. Add this to this, you get 1.00. So number allocation of random numbers now. The first one here will give 15 numbers. Starting from 0, 0, 1 to 14. The next one will be 15 to 34. The next will be 35 to 64. The next one will be 65 to 89. And the last one will be 90 to 99. So we have allocated random numbers now for both purchase and demand. Now, for us to determine the profit, so we want to see, one, the selling price, the unsatisfied demand, which will require losing goodwill. Then we want to look at waste, that the scrap value is nil. You can't sell it for anything. So from there we can be able to determine. So we're going to have a table where the question is saying determine. Say you are required to prepare simulation for the first 7 days, given a random series of random number table as follows. If you count the numbers, let's count the numbers. What do we have? How many pairs of numbers do we have here? Let me count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Huh?
15.
15?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It means one number is not supposed to be there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And that number that is not supposed to be there should be the last number, which is 23. Please, let's cancel it. Remove 23. You remove 23.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are going to have 14 now.
Yes, sir.
Now, the 14 we have, a businessman selling a product. Before you can sell, you need to purchase what you want to sell. So you purchase first before you start selling. So when random numbers are generated and they are showing both purchase and random purchase numbers and demand numbers, the first number will represent purchase, while the immediate second number will represent numbers per demand of the product, demanded for the product. Then the third one will also represent purchase, because you have to purchase before you start selling. Purchase comes first before you start selling. So it is what they demand that you will sell. So for the odd number for the numbers in odd positions, they represent random numbers for purchase, while for the numbers in even position, they represent the numbers demanded, that is the random number for the product demanded. So what we are going to do now is to form the table of 7 columns. We'll form a table of 7 columns. I'm going to rub the board. Where is that duster? Okay. Let me put that here. I'm going to create a table of 7 columns with the following headings. Day, purchase, random numbers, kg purchase, demand, random numbers, kg kilogram demanded, unsatisfied demand, unsatisfied demand, then waste. These are the 7 columns. So we take each one by one. We want to simulate demand for 7 days. So we are going to put the 7 days on the board under day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then photo random purchase random numbers. We go back to the first 2 tables that were prepared initially. So under allocation of random numbers, all those, so we are going to use those allocation of random numbers that have been generated. Ṣé o ti ń lọ ni?